wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.
Morning, peeps. Yeah, Ziggy. Yeah, flip. Turn. Mix. So we're trying to build a line. What happened to your line? Your line break? What happened to your line? Line broke?
Are you in a rock or outside? Rock? What's the name over there? What's no right there? Over see? Can't have he have the same hair like me. That's George.
No. That's Jimmy.
Huh?
That's Jimmy.
Why is it raining?
Ziggy, you want your food still? You want the food? Give us the Polly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daddy?
There's a Polly.
Is that your food over there?
You want it?
No.
It's raining. No, it's raining. Wash my hair, guys. I'm about to go wash it, but so garbage truck comes like every now and then, and I guess like it hasn't been around here, so everyone's garbage kind of just pile up. So now we just hear the horn blow. Everyone's running to go bring their garbage. Bigger, bigger. Wait, for the the gaming channel we were showing you guys, it was his. Make sure you guys check it out. What is it again?
On Twitch.
And
YF_Kushlard17.
And he's sick, so make sure you guys check it out.
Yeah, man, you say man, I give it up.
I know. But yeah, he's sick though. Like when I say he's sick with it. And what makes it even more funny is when they're speaking Jamaican. That's what I like to see. That's what makes it funny. Ziggy, what do you want me to do? Help you? Help you? Excuse me. Say excuse me. Right. Hi. Why you fall? What happened?
When the kids are eating, they'll put it in the satin. Come, let me show you. Run.
What are you doing? Playing? What are those? What do you make? You're making pizza? Oh. And cupcakes and beans? Wow.
That looks like mud.
Yeah.
I just want to.
What's their names, Nyla? You remember Amelia and Kendra?
Oh.
Yes, LJ. Work, LJ. Walk, LJ. Hey, 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 hey. What's that?
That's why.
Hey, hey. Let me help Polly. Let me help you? This is bad. So you guys must always
Oh, no, then the right, that's it.
always be grateful because you
run!
see.
Run for the blood!
No, this is bad. Like they need to figure out some like a better something. Stacy. Nyla gone. Yo, this man made his own. This is how you know George is smart. Watch this. Huh? Do you want to put your toys? It's okay. Nyla, LJ's talking to you. LJ's talking to you. He's saying hi. I almost choked. No. You have snacks in the house. Okay, make sure you're just looking. Where's Rosa? Seriously. Oh, wait, I have a garbage bag.
Hi guys. You don't see this before. Press more? What is this?
That's recording. Just push this. Like, catch your kids running.
Okay, they're gone.
Yeah.
One, two, three. Say hi. Hi. Polly, are you cleaning? Are you cleaning? Are you cleaning?
Yes, I'm sweeping.
Oh, he's sweeping. I want to sit right there.
Hey, hey. Yeah.
You step in the box.
This one, Bushy want to go for a walk. Every day, walk, walk, walk. Go. Ah, B. Go.
Step in the water.
I know you do want to step in the water. Go down. Garbage truck, come. Chocolate, chocolate. Yeah?
I can't sit with Daddy.
Come this way now, come.
Driving?
Yeah, come.
Then why the stall? I like garbage. Huh? Garbage. Oh. Do it?
Go. I know you want to. Go.
I want.
Now, come look at this.
I can't see.
Look.
No.
Come stand right here.
I can't. What is that?
Duck. I think.
God. Let him eat this?
No.
Why?
Why do you want him to eat that?
Are there the chores?
So drop it.
In the water? Jump in the water, Mommy? Here, Mommy?
You guys, the pig.
So you're gonna wrap this around this?
Yo. Woof, 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 woof. Yes, eat up a good Pizza Hut. Oh, there's more over there. You guys are gonna kill it for Christmas? What you guys do with it? Is it women? You breed them or? Oh really? So where are they? How? He laid on the pig and... So guys, she had kids, laid on them and killed them. I'm dead. Yo. Yeah, if I ever live in Jamaica, I would have like a little farm with like different animals. And hire you to come take care of them. You trying to wash the other side? sorry.
Yeah,
Here. Sit back in Polly. Not you flashing up the pen shit water on my face. And then there's also chickens back there. But you can't even see them because I think they're at the bottom or something like that.
Can come back to your change.
Yeah. Hey, watch it. Yeah, I know, we're gonna do it. So, guys, I'm in the kitchen.
Hi!
Nala, every minute, hi.
Because I want to say hi.
You wanna say, it's okay, say hi. What are you gonna make? Popcorn?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to bake it by myself.
I'm here making some curry chicken bak.
Because...
Curry chicken bak and white rice.
Now let me show you the chicken book. Can I see the chicken book?
Chicken bak?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in the kitchen, chefing up. Guys, again, another day where it rained. The rain just won't let us be great, man.
Because
Literally, we're here, we're like, yo, let's go beach, let's go beach.
So cry.
You what?
Like the rain makes... And the burner says more time to see more than the ice.
What?
The ice is more fine.
The ice is more fun?
Yeah, the ice is more fine, but I want to know for the ice.
Beta pot curry, the best curry.
Like,
The best.
and that's why
So I'm getting all the
Daddy
water.
made like a silly way to make more. Like I want to know some more buzzing.
Yeah, guys, so today it just rained again, and then plus Ziggy's trying to do like some little housework stuff, and then we were doing a little bit of laundry, and then it started raining again. And not only that, we're trying to replace the line, but it's like every time they start, it starts raining. I remember one year I came down and it just rained non-stop, man. I was so sad. But yeah, we just been like chilling. You guys see garbage. Yeah, so back to the garbage situation. So they said it's been about like 2 weeks or something like that since the garbage truck last came. Now, yeah, but it's been a while and it's like it's not sanitary and it's just not right. It's messed up. Not only that, the garbage man jumped off the truck and trying to pick me up. I had to turn off the camera because I was just like, no. Yeah. Wildlife. Yeah. What's up?
Hey there, man, I pray.
You good?
Kinda.
Yeah.
Jaja. What's up? I.
You pierced your nose?
Yeah, long time.
No, you didn't. Or is it a mole?
No, I pierced it long time, but I did re-pierce it and then this come
So
up.
what happened to the? You can pop that to get that off.
I'm gonna use Papi nigga.
Yeah, that's why when I got mine, but then it went away. You want a nose ring?
So you're piercing.
Go say hi, Nyla.
Come here, you know say a YouTube star? What's your name? Come here. What, me good?
Hey, come on,
That boy, that's exactly how his dad is. Shrimpy, yes.
Watch you a lot, eh?
something, man.
What, say you're Dave Brothers? They sound up and can't believe. Last week, them watching today in the kitchen, they stew beef. And I say, watch you. You know, beef on your base.
You can't put that in. They actually just do what you have, you know? Yeah.
The only time to take on some my Portland and do some camping and stuff.
Okay,
Make the connections, you know.
It's a camping like.
Like outdoor?
Yeah, the fun one.
I would do it. Yeah, I'm sorry. What happened? Oh, your ballerina? Hey. Kamar. You call him.
Yeah, Tabo, you ready for camp? You're there as
That'll be fun.
They might take the call, sorry.
Let's see over Portland, no mosquito. All over Port Island, no camp. Over there, nice.
I didn't see him before.
You didn't see him before? If you guys want to go over and subscribe to his channel, you can. Me and him grew up together when I used to live out here.
Sad at him. You were sad at him?
He does like wildlife type videos in Jamaica. You guys can check him out.
Mommy, can you download? Nothing.
Download? How much download do you want me to do?
No, I say nothing.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, the Paw Patrol not working.
It's not working?
No Paw Patrol. Look.
Oh.
It's okay, Mom. Okay, Mommy. It's okay.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Y'all, I just had my...
I said cheese.
Oh, God. The camera won't even turn. Is it on it?
Nope.
Couldn't even come on to show you guys the food because the way how...
I want it.
But just know it tastes good. What do you want to say to them?
I want to do a silly face today.
Again?
Yeah.
Ziggy, you're gonna eat?
To write that. Guys, I will show Mommy to see more things. Mommy, I can't see it. Mommy, I can't see it, Mommy.
Not on you?
Mm-mm.
There.
And I was shown like a silly face, and I don't want it to play like. I don't think nobody can play. But this is, Mommy. How do you show it to Polly? Mommy, how do you show it to Polly? See, it's Polly eating.
Good.
Mommy, what I do, Mommy? Yee. Are you eating food?
Yeah, I'm eating fish.
Mommy, why is it not turning on me?
You want it to turn on you? Come, stop stressing my camera. Come.
And I will see nobody can just do something. Oh! Say hi, Polly. Polly, say hi.
Hi, Nilo.
I'm not. Don't say hi to the the camera.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Not like that. But how do you say it?
Like that. Hi, guys.
Yeah. Say hi, guys. Why did they say hi, guys?
My name is Polly choke.
No, it's not.
Ziggy, I'm plugging out the kettle and thing, okay?
One piece.
But I can't see me anymore.
Come let me see. Because you have it up in the air like that. Hi guys.
No, it's me first.
No, I had it first.
I had it first. Guys, we did see Daddy before.
Yes, we did see Daddy before we see Nyla.
But we didn't see you for the clock.
For what clock?
The clock is right there. So
Yeah.
it's from 9 and 5. Like
What time is it?
5:40.
For-
I need 45.
oh, 5:45?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like almost 7 o'clock. Yeah.
We had to hurry and say happy birthday to Lauren.
Okay.
To Lawrence.
Okay.
The 2.
Okay. It's not 2, it's just 2.
No, 2.
Careful with the whites here. Because you just scraped the plate, the bottom here.
Come take this from me.
Daddy, you
Yeah.
have to eat by yourself.
No, I
Now
want
you're
mommy
scared
to
to
feed
touch
me.
it.
No.
Yeah.
Mommy, I know how to eat myself.
So what are you saying?
And they eat by myself.
So what are you trying to say?
You can't when you're big. So when I'm small. So when you're small,
Yeah.
you can't. When you're bigger,
Yeah.
you can't let mommy feed you
Why?
because you can't.
Why can't I? Yes, I can. I can ask her to feed me.
Mommy, don't let daddy feed you. I'm gonna feed daddy.
Okay, because he's big, right?
Yeah.
Remember he told you you're big, feed yourself?
Yeah, I know how to feed myself.
So I can't feed mommy?
Nope. Mommy, do you know how to cook?
Yeah.
See? That
Did the food
mommy.
taste good? Did you like it?
That's why you feed me on food.
And you're gonna go to school because you have to eat some food so you can go to school.
Mm-hmm.
After dinner, I will go to school later.
Rip it, man.
And guys, Daddy say mommy had to feed him, and I don't like that. So I'll
Let me talk to them.
no,
I want to talk to them too.
no,
Can I talk to them for a second?
no.
I'll come there.
And
Guys, Nyla, don't.
don't let Daddy see it for now, guys. Toads. Stop a knife, guys. But like, someone bite me, and I was just see nothing for bite me. But who bite
Everything that he said.
for $189? Where's that, mommy?
Frank.
Huh?
You said too much.
Wait, what do you say? Wait, what is that?
Hot dog.
Can I come?
Yeah.
There's a baby, I see. Hey, look. Hi. Hello. What do you look like Lauren.
Yeah, take him. Here, the man. You right, man? Yeah, man, they're around there, man.
How do you...
Go and drink and play music.
Mommy.
This and what? And how much egg? One egg.
What's that?
Don't pull it. Leave it.
Hi.
They can't see this. One of this.
Wait, can I say hi?
Say
Hi.
okay.
Ow.
Can you go get one of this?
Mommy, I'm the rainbow one.
What rainbow one? This?
That's not rainbow.
Here and go back inside.
That's rainbow. Here, mommy. How do you?
Are you calling me Chinese? No. Oh.
Huh? Mommy. What happened, mommy? Daddy, how do you turn it off?
Lose up a friend and start with more. Take this man I ignore. Only outside man no more.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them no care for you. You we alone.